Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now our final and most challenging pillar of them all, inspire. So we've covered heal, which is all about redefining your mindset around social media and establishing proper expectations. Create is all about crafting your message and creating your artwork. This includes the visuals that you use, the graphic design, your visual identity, your colors, your fonts, etc. This includes your video content as well, and how you show up on video, how you craft your copywriting and the messages that you share. It's everything about how you show up and how you represent your business on social media. This module is all about speaking your voice, putting yourself out there. In more literal terms, publishing that post, that video, that story, etc. There's two very important ingredients here in this module, and that's competence and confidence. Competence in the platform that you're using, which means knowing how to use the platform, how to create content for that specific platform, and putting your work out there. It's all about sharing your message with your community. It's about establishing yourself as an expert and an authority in your community. It's about really connecting with others and building meaningful relationships with your audience. It's about going far and wide to reach as many people as possible while also going deep and building loyal community. And you know what it's also about? It's all about the shit that you're most likely going to go through as you venture into the digital world. Comparing yourselves to others, the negative comments, people's judgments. Let's face it, it can be scary to put ourselves out there. It's why there are only a few people out there doing it. And this is where confidence comes into play. You have to stay strong and continue believing in yourself, believing in your content, and believing that the right people will hear you and connect with you. Social media is great, but it can be challenging at times. It's not always sunshine and rainbows. Life isn't always sunshine and rainbows, right? No. And so you'll ride through your ebbs and flows of content creation and constantly evaluate how efficient you're being with your social media journey. But don't worry, my friends, we're here to guide you through it, all based on our own experiences. So this is about getting out there, you guys. It's about diving into the digital world, putting yourselves out there, constantly improving your competence in the platform and your confidence, using your influence to empower others, plugging yourselves in, like literally plugging yourselves in, and doing what you already know. Build genuine relationships, have genuine conversations, and create opportunities for yourselves. And so now that we got all this foundation and all this straight, and we've covered all of it all. Okay, we'll go with that. So let's get this party started. Let's get this party started, shall we? Jeez.